Think math.
Negative times negative is positive. You memorize that in school. But why? If you picture times -1 as a half turn, you can see exactly why. Here's the number line. Right is positive, left is negative, and 0 is in the middle. Multiply 3 by -1, and it jumps to the other side, to -3. It has turned exactly a half circle, 180 degrees, around 0. So multiplying by -1 is exactly the same as rotating the number line 180 degrees. It flips any number to the opposite side of 0. So what happens when we apply that to -1? We start at -1, multiply by -1, and it makes a half turn. The point on the left swings up and over past 0 to the other side. It lands exactly on +1. -1 times -1 is +1. 2 half turns make a full turn back to where you started. That is why negative times negative is always positive. Don't just memorize it. Picture 2 half turns instead. A piece of math every day with Think Math.